How to turn on page post comment notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page post comment notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this storyline in the top corner, click on it and then just click pages, and now click select your page and then click settings icon here in the top corner and click notifications and click on Facebook. Now just click new post comment, turn it you will find it like that, just click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.